How to use templates in PickU. Want stunning photo edit without doing anything of your hard work? Let's use template in PickU. It's like cheating but in a good way. Open PickU app. On the home screen, you will see bunch of ready-made templates. Scroll down or tap templates if needed. Browse the template category. You will find styles like couples and love edits, aesthetic collage, trending TikTok looks, festival and birthday frames. Pick the one that grabs your attention. PickU will now ask you to select photo that fits in templates. It might be one image or multiple depending on the layout. Choose a photo and let PickU work its magic. You can change text if the template has any, add filters, stickers, adjust position, or resize the image. Make it you before you save it. Done. Just tap save and boom. The masterpiece is ready to post, print, or show off in your story. And that's how easy templates are in PickU. Zero stress, 100% wow. Hit like, subscribe for more photo editing hacks. See you in the next one.